Epic Games is giving out a bunch of free games. If you guys want to learn more, make sure to keep watching and watch the full entire video so you guys can have the best possible information on these free games that Epic Games is giving out to all players that are signed up with an Epic Games account. Yo guys, in today's video, I am FC Radius, and I'm going to be showing you guys some free games that Epic Games is actually allowing you guys to redeem, and we also have some information that Epic Games will be giving us free games every single week that we guys can redeem for completely free, no money involved. Make sure to watch the whole entire video because I'm going to be going over how to actually redeem these and all the games that will be coming out soon. Yo guys, so as you can see, if you guys head over to your Epic Games launcher, which is right here, you guys can see your library, which is all the games that you have installed. Currently, I only have Fall Guys, Fortnite, Ghost Simulator, GTA, and Rocket League installed on my library. And there's also the Unreal Engine, which I don't really guys go on at all. And then obviously you guys can manage your settings and stuff. But mainly today's video, we're going to go on to the store. So make sure to go on to the store because these are where all the offers can be made. So once you guys have loaded up your Epic Games launcher and you guys have the store, you guys can see, if you guys scroll down, there is a free game section. Now this was just here. As you can see at the top, there's a bunch of free games which you guys probably have seen, but these are not free actually. These actually cost money. While if you scroll down a bit, you guys can see free games. Now these are a bunch of free games. I'm surprised Epic Games is giving these out for completely free because these are actually very high quality. If you guys have been living under a rock, you guys don't know, but Epic Games recently bought out Rocket League, so you can now buy Rocket League for completely free, and you guys can run that. Also, you guys can get Valorant for completely free. Now I'm actually gonna buy Valorant right here to prove to you guys that this is legit, and also I do want to get Valorant for myself. But you guys just press get, and then it'll take you to your payment. And then just press click here to share your email. And then literally what you can do is you guys can just press place order. And as you can see, the total is $0. And bam, we already got Valorant on our PC for completely free, which is actually insane because you used to have to pay for Valorant, but now you don't. And as you can see, if I head over to my library, we can see that it's currently sitting in there waiting for me to install, and I can install it right now at any time. But for today's purposes of the video, I will not install it right now. But also, as you guys can see, we can also have an insight on some games that will be free in the future. As you can see, this Kerbal Space Program, which doesn't look like a terrible game, and then we have the Shadow Tactics, which looks like a very, very high quality game, which will be free on January 5th to January 12th. Same for this right here. And then as you guys see, all of these are completely free, including Fall Guys, Fortnite, which are definitely popular games. There's a bunch of evidence online which you guys can prove that Epic Games is giving out a bunch of free information. Also, as you guys can see on their FAQ on the Epic Games store, that you guys can also see that they're obviously showing that they will be coming out with a bunch of free games in the future. So this is just not right now. This will be continuously every single week, if not every single day. We'll be getting a ton of free games that you guys can claim for completely free. I'm assuming that maybe even in the future that we will be even get some in-game awards for completely free just by doing some Epic Games processes. And if you guys are also a big fan of Fortnite, I'm sure if you guys can download some of these games, you guys can also get rewards in Fortnite, which I'm probably sure Epic Games will probably notify us. And like I said, make sure to turn notifications so if that does happen, you won't miss out, and I'll be able to update you guys on that if that actually happens. If you guys don't actually know, a while ago, if you got Ghost Simulator pre-installed, which I actually did, you were able to actually you were able to redeem the Goat Simulator skin for completely free, and it just showed up on your Fortnite account for completely free. I'm sure that will also apply for other games as well, so make sure to keep updated with that. Also, like I said, guys, I will also keep you guys updated with that. But like I said, we'll be having a bunch of free games. And yeah, guys, that's basically the end of today's video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. I just wanted to make this video to show you guys that you guys can get a bunch of free games. I don't want you guys to miss out on this opportunity because this, guys, is huge. And I know some of the Fortnite gaming community or just gaming community in general wants to play other games or specifically can't afford other games on their device. Or if you guys can, but you guys don't want to spend the money, you guys have the opportunity and the chance right now to get all these games for completely free and enjoy them on your computer or any platform that you guys are playing on. As you can see, there's definitely a lot of popular games as well. But like I said, that's going to be the end of today's video. Hopefully you guys did learn something from this, and if you guys did watch the full entire video, make sure to comment W down below, and I will literally heart your comment. If you comment W, I'll be hearting everyone's comment and subscribing to them as long as you comment W down below. And if I don't heart your comment, you guys can just keep spamming it, and I'll promise I will subscribe to you. But yeah, that's going to be the end of today's video. I will see you all in the next one. It has been your boy FC Radius. Have a good rest of your day. Peace.